What can you do? I can eat. What can she do? She can drink. What can he do? He can sleep. Can you read? No, I can't read. Can you paint? Yes, I can paint. Can you cut? Yes, I can cut. Can you type? No, I can't type. What can she do? She can read. What can you do? I can cook. What can you do? I can fly a kite. What can he do? He can talk. What can you do? I can jump. What can you do? I can swim. What can you do? I can skate. What can you do? I can run. Can your brother dance? Yes, my brother can dance. Can your sister skate? No, my sister can't skate. What's wrong? My father can't drive.